Hi, Brian here. We're getting up close and personal today. I'm going to take you for a tour of the Chevelle and the progress they're making on the Chevelle. We'll be doing a little traveling today, so I hope it don't make you seasick. So let's see what we got. Those there are the brand new fenders that are inner fenders that are going to go in the back. We have opened it up back here. I am standing where the trunk used to be. What they've done here is this is part of the one that's left in, and where there's the ugliness that we're trying to replace here. So that's going to be all gone. They drilled this all out and they're ready to remove that. Cut the floor out here. As you can see, this is a Flintstone flyer now. We had some repairs to do along there. We're going to take that down to bare and treat that. He's in the process here right now of putting the new inner lip on this side, and we'll be welding that in. There's a new filler panel back there. Again, this is the best way to do a restoration because it takes care of all that rust and ugliness that's in there. So he's got this all prepared and ready to go. We'll be sanding it, blasting it right down to bare so we can weld the new floor in, which the new panel's sitting right there over against the door. And there's the new filler panel going to go up there. We're cutting all that old rust and bad out and putting all brand new in. So rust won't come back and rear its ugly head someplace down the line. So again, this sort of gives you an idea of the inside of what's going on. So when we come back, hopefully all this will be all filled in and be all brand new, and you'll be able to see what it's going to look like until we move to the next part. Okay? So again, it's Cars Tillsonburg. Thanks for watching.